Okay, let's see. This is my workstation. HP Z8. Obviously it works perfect right now. Let's see what processors I'm actually using. And these are my processors. I upgraded them after the engineering samples from China didn't work. These are before I had 20 cores, right now I have 28 cores. But it is 2.0 GHz, not 2.5 GHz like the engineering samples must be. But it works with both of them. How much memory I have? Here it's shown 767. It's 768 anyway. I can show this in the system information. In the system information, yes, again, we have both of my processors here shown. Let's expand this a little bit to see all information. These are my information, my processors. This is my workstation. This is my memory instead of physical. If there was a problem with my memory, it will not be recognized, and these processors will not work too. But anyway, let's try again. I will shut down the system right now. I will enter the BIOS to show you the BIOS, to show you the again these settings. And after this I will remove one of my processors. I will try to run only with one in CPU 0 slot, which is the right place, to show you that my system runs with two processors. My system can run with one processor. With one processor, the available memory will be half. It will be 380 whatever. You'll see. After this, I will change the processors. I will change the one processor to the engineering samples that I bought from AliExpress seller, to see if it will run or it will again give me this memory error. So this is the plan. Let's put the camera here. Let's see if it's actually seeing anything. Yeah, I think it's good enough. Okay. Yeah, by the way, I'm monitoring the temperatures, everything right here. 63 degrees for everyone. But yeah, if the processors run, they can show off these statistics. If they don't even boot, we cannot see anything. So let's restart. At the beginning I used this monitor for the main booting screen, but right now I will use this one, so it can be more easy to film. I changed the... I have 2 GPUs right now, I had 3 before, but anyway. Come on. Booting, yes, it is booting. Let's go to the boot menu. Here it is, it booted. Let's see the system information. Here it is. You can see, these are my current processors, this is my RAM, my memory. So, this is my current BIOS, the latest version, that I updated and tested anyway with the AliExpress processors, and it didn't work, neither with any version that I tested, or the bargain hardware specialist too. So let's shut down the PC. Let's it restarted. I'll need to shut down. The video will be really long because I don't want to edit anything. I need to show you everything to be sure that nothing is edited out, nothing is trimmed, nothing is deleted. But you need to wait for me to shut down the workstation properly. So I need to wait to boot. Because of secure boot and any other options right now, it's booting a little slower than it's supposed to, but I prefer security. I have a not long enough cable right now problem. Let's see if it will be. Yeah, it will be okay. Let's magenta. Please don't fall. I don't have this. Electricity. Please tell me I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. Okay, here it is. The two CPUs, CPU 0, CPU 1. The system can run only with one CPU 2, and this is this one. I need to remove this one to show you that it can run only with this one, because this is the place that I will test the AliExpress one, the engineering sample. Here it is, 24 RAM modules, 32 gigabytes each. Okay, let's continue. I don't like this, I want to be more visible, so this monitor like this. Can you see everything I'm doing? Yes, I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, for now this will be good enough. It should be a little hot right now. Oh. Yeah, normally I will wait a little bit, but the video will be too long for this, so I'll start now. It's hot here right now. I'm removing one model because I need to remove some cables here, and I will not use this CPU right now anyway. Okay, so I will not change this one, I will just remove it. So let's see, remove order 4321 1. Okay, so I've done this so many times, but I'm really afraid I'll break something. Everything is made to be replaceable, but I replaced it too many times already. Hope that everything will be alright. Okay, this is the second CPU. I'm putting it here, and I will run the system. I don't want any dust to come in. No, let's put this one. Because I'm leaving one of the sockets open, I don't want any additional dust to come in, but yeah, it will come in anyway. Before that, let's show you. So, here it is. CPU 0, CPU 1. CPU 1 is the second CPU. I removed it, one RAM memory module, because I needed to remove this cable from here. The system will not recognize this RAM right now because it doesn't have this CPU right now. So it doesn't matter if I have what memory modules I have right here. What is important is here on the CPU 0 right now. And right now I have all 12 installed. Yet again. Because this is not the first time. I hope it is the last time I'm doing this. Fortunately, I didn't film the other attempts, and I should have. So okay, no dust. Putting the power in. So just wait a little bit. Let's see. Let's walk a little bit like this and waiting for this monitor to pop out. No error. Not 3 red to white or whatever the memory error was. So everything is fine for now. Waiting it for to boot. Here it is. It boots. Let's go to the boot menu. Yeah, this is the, because one of the CPUs is missing, the RAM right now is halved, 384. As expected, press enter to continue, to show you that this is my CPU. Come on. Just a second, because I have several keyboards. This one is, I'm using to control 2 PCs right now, so second the other one. Enter. Come on. Okay. Enter. Whatever, it booted. Right now it doesn't recognize my keyboard. I don't like this, but yeah. It is Razer, it is with LEDs and so on. Let's try on it, force shutdown it, which I don't like to do. Whatever. I want to show you. I can continue right now, but I want to show you that it's booting, that everything is actually alright. It recognized the F10, so it will recognize the enter. Anyway, no memory issues, it booted. Even if it's like this and it doesn't boot right, it doesn't recognize in the boot my enter, it doesn't matter because it boots, the other processors doesn't do even this. Okay, here we are. So it needed to restart. System information. Okay, only one CPU. My CPU. This is it. This is my workstation, HP Z8 G4. This is not this PC, because this is old PC with i7. This is not this PC. This is old workstation HP, no, not HP, whatever it was. I forgot. Anyway, I have in the room several servers too, but this is my newest. This is my fastest. This is my best workstation yet. I need it to be the fastest possible. I have so much RAM, I have processors, I have so much work to do on it. And that's why I needed the best possible CPUs for it. That's why I hope that AliExpress ones will be good, but they don't run. Let's prove this to you. I think that everything was proved several times, but yeah, you have it on videotape this now, so let's go. I'll replace right now the CPU with the AliExpress one, the engineering sample one, and let's see what will happen. Not a proper shutdown, but the video is already 20 minutes, so I don't have the time. Removing from electricity, from the UPS, clearing the saw, no electricity in it. I don't need this second keyboard anyway. So, right now, again, let's show you inside, like you didn't already saw. GPUs, NVMe sticks, and so on, that I cannot just replace this for anything else right now. I don't want to. So I need to remove some things from here and here so I can be able to remove the CPU. And after this I will replace it with the engineering sample. But I will use only one, I will not use two right now because it's obvious. This a little bit, this a little bit. Remove the cable and removing the CPU itself. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope my phone has enough memory for the video. I should probably delete some things. I don't want to make this video again. So here we go. I'll need to show you from a close-up. Can I put the CPU on this here without it failing? Like this probably. Is it stable enough? I don't want any incidents. Okay, zoom in or not? I want like this. Just a second. Probably I'll zoom out a little bit. Come on. I don't want this to fall inside the case because it can break something. Okay, so let's do it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? No, you cannot see. I want you to be able to see absolutely every single step. I don't want to explain again and again and again. Wait, so much money, so much time for this. It's stupid. Honestly, I shouldn't do all this in the first place. So you can see what is here. This is the engineering samples. This is not the way that they were sent to me from the AliExpress seller. This is the way that the people at Bargain Hardware sent these CPUs back to me when, yeah, way better. Not that the AliExpress seller was bad, but it was not on this level at all. This is way more professional. Every single CPU is separate and so on. You can see this. So let's show you that this is, or just a second. I will show you this, but I need first to remove this one and put it there. But even from this, even before moving it like here, you should be able to read that this is exactly the engineering sample one, QQ87, and because of this QQ87 I cannot write it because it will be blocked by your system, and they, yeah, you already saw this in the comments. If I write it, you can write this name to me. I cannot write this name to you. This is politics. Anyway, this is the engineering sample one. This is 2.5 GHz. If it works on my system, this is the fastest CPU for my system. That's why I really needed them to work. I don't have any, I would say, any initiative for them not to work for me. I'm rendering, I'm making simulations, I'm making a lot of stuff that I don't have time to sleep. I need the fastest system. So, and right now I'm not with the fastest system. Because I cannot run them. And the official ones are, yeah, too expensive. So, here is the place to put this. Okay. You see everything? Yes, you see everything. I don't want any more stupid rejections, because the only reason that I sent this to UK was because of this memory problem, because we hoped that this is a memory problem. It is not a memory problem. It is these CPUs not recognizing my memory, but it is not in my memory or my motherboard or even in my PC. It is that because these are engineering samples and they are not made to work with every system. Yes, they work with some server that the guys there tried. I asked them to do it. I asked them to be sure that if the processors are bad or not. That's why they show it, because if the processors are bad, I will ask for a replacement. I cannot ask for a replacement for something that doesn't work on my system. So, okay, these are the my processors. I need to clean them up with alcohol. I'll just put them here. I want you to show that they are the my system. This is the my CPU. Everything is very frustrated from all this situation. So much money, so much time lost for something so obvious. Okay. What is this? What is this? Can you read it? Yes. This is 8173M. This is my processors. Okay. Putting it right here. So, my processor. They'll stay here the whole time. I'm gonna put the engineering samples. One of the engineering samples. If it doesn't run with one, it will not run with two. I asked specifically if, because I know that this is engineering samples, and I know that they're not made to work with every system. I couldn't find much information on the internet, especially for this model. That's why I asked the seller, are they working with HP Z8 Workstation? He told me yes. After this, he claims that he cannot, compatibility is not his responsibility. If I asked him before I buy if they are compatible, I'm sorry for my pronunciation, or not, and he told me that they are compatible, and I bought them because he told me that, or they or she, I don't know, but it is compatible, then it is his responsibility, because he lied to me. Did it on purpose or not, I don't know, and I don't care. Probably because these engineering samples, there are more variants of it. Probably some other variant is working. Yeah, but okay, let's replace for it, but this is out of option right now, because I don't trust the seller anymore. I don't want replacements, I want my money back. And if I buy some other engineering samples, they will be for another seller. So, okay, let's show you again before I put the thermal paste. Here it is. This is my processors. This is the engineering sample. Just a second. Just a second. Before I continue, to be sure that this applicator is put well. Okay. Come on. Is the video still going? It's still going. Okay. Is this thing working? I don't know. Come on, come on, come on. Whatever, it should be fine now. I need something to clear my hands. I don't want thermal paste everywhere. Okay. So, clean hands. Okay. Don't put. Okay, because I need more thermal paste again for putting my working CPU back. This is way more than enough. Thermal greasy, one of the best thermal pastes. So, everything, all the pins are clear. I need to put this here first. Triangle, triangle, where is the triangle? Here is triangle, triangle. you see this? I hope you're seeing everything. So, triangle, triangle, triangle. Everything is the right place, right direction. So, right now I need to take camera back. Because I need to put the CPU in. I don't have better place to put my camera. My phone, actually, because I'm filming with my phone. Okay. Clear, clear, clear. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Okay. Everything is working perfectly. Everything is working perfectly. Let's see what will happen. So, put the cable first, because later it will be harder to put this cable. Come on, yep, thank you. Putting the CPU in. Screwing the CPU in. The right order. 1, 2, 1, 2. Sorry. 3. Okay, everything is right. Let's show you again. If the memory is loose, I tried this several times. I sent it to UK. They tried to, not only with this memory, they tried with a lot of different memories. If the memory is loose, okay, I'm really angry at this. Because this is the reason that I sent it to UK in the first place. I really hoped it is a memory problem. How many times to repeat that I need them to work? It means that I will have more time to sleep. Okay, putting the power on. Oh, come on, come on. Let's see if magic happens. If they will run this time. Wait a little bit. If it runs, I'll be really happy, by the way. I'll be really happy if it will run. Because I want them to run. I changed to a new CPUs, but even the new CPUs are on only 2 GHz. This is 2.5. Let's see what will happen. I really hope it works. I don't care of the time that I wasted, because it will render a lot faster. It will make simulations a lot faster than what I have right now. Nope, nope. 3 red, 2 white. 3 red, 2 white. This is the exactly same memory that used. No boot screen. Orange, not a blue one. Okay, maximum file size reached video. Okay, unfortunately my phone tells me that maximum file size is reached, but I will continue again after this video. I'll just put it down and I hope it continues recording. Come on, okay. I'm shutting it down, and what I will make right now. Okay, I will just finish the video on the same size, and I'll look at the time, by the way. This is a really good, this is the date. Okay, I'm ending the video and you'll see that the time is continuing exactly. Probably I should put some timer, by the way, because I don't want to be accused that I changed the processors or some other stupid stuff. No. Is there a time that... Okay, obviously I cannot change it for a minute. I hope that this is... Okay, because it is 35 minutes. Can I see seconds or something? Okay, I am ending the video and I'm starting the video exactly after this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I started the video again. It was already 35 and it is 35 minutes again. So this is the same video, I'm in the same place. This again, this 3 red, 2 white. I'm trying to shoot it down because I'll do something else right now. Come on, okay, shoot down. 40 minutes long video. You received 2 videos for 40 minutes. But you asked for it. So, obviously it is memory error. What should be done in case like this? What I did before. I did a lot more things before, but what I will do this time will be simple. I'll remove almost everything and I'll just leave the memory slot in memory slot 1. Why I'll leave it like this? Because this is the scheme. If I use CPU 0 and I use only one memory model, it should be at this place. You see? So, if the CPU cannot run with one memory model, it cannot run with 12. If this memory model is broken, okay, let's see that, because we'll see right now that it would not work. I'll replace this memory model for you with some other model. And after this, I'll put my own CPU and to show you that it will run with this. And then I will end the video. So, stay with me a little longer. Unfortunately, I didn't tell the UK guys to film the things that they do. I don't know how much they will charge me. Probably way more than the CPU server. By the way, I wasted already more money and time than I paid for these CPUs. So, be gentle, remove the electricity, off the electricity, clearing this, okay. So, okay, starting to remove the RAM. Where to put the RAM? Putting it right here. Okay. By the way, this is the memory that I'm using. Again, one of the... Come on, focus on this. Okay. This is one of the best. So, I don't think that I should say anything else. Okay, okay. And again, if the memory was the problem, neither my 20 core ones, neither my new 28 core ones will work. But they work. So it is not. I don't need to explain this anymore. I will write it down on the email. So lens right here. Don't want to break anything. But I swear this is. I hope this is the last time. I don't have anything better than this. Okay. Come on. This is a memory problem. It must be worse. It's compatibility issue, it's not our problem. If it's compatibility issue, then you shouldn't sell this to me in the first place. Wasted a month. 1 whole month not having my workstation, sending it to UK, paying for all this shipping and everything else, for them to test it, being ready to pay them for a lot more expensive RAM than this, if it works with it, and then accuse that it's a memory problem. Okay, let's see. This is fit right. It is fit right. Let's show. I'm showing everything. The view is running. Yay! So you see the memory model here. Let's focus on it. Come on, focus. Everything is put fit. It's not loose. Okay. Come on, focus. Again, there, focus. Putting the cover because I don't want any more dust. We have enough anyway. Because it's all done. So, putting electricity back. Come on. Okay. So, platform modus. Memory problem. Let's see only with one. Okay. It started itself. Again, 3 red, 2 white. This is a memory problem. But this is not a memory problem. This doesn't mean that my RAM is broken. This means that the CPU cannot communicate with the memory. And this not communication can be on many places. It can be on my motherboard. It can be on these sticks. Or it could be most probably on the CPU itself. Because it is an engineering sample. And they tested it with other machines like mine. And if it was on memory module or it was on my motherboard, my other CPUs will not run on it. Okay, what I will do right now. This one CPU, if we are going to that, my memory module should be broken. This means that this one should be broken. Let's see. I will replace it with a random one from here. And to show you the same result. And after this, I will put my other CPU in it. and show you that it will run if I didn't break anything, by the way, because if I break anything it will not run. I hope I didn't break anything. So, by the way, to be sure, because I don't want to do this again, look at this. Three red to white. Any screen lighting up? No screen lighting up. This is a tablet, by the way, so yeah, it doesn't count. It is for scripting and so on. It is connected to the by Wi-Fi anyway. So I need to shut this down. Okay. Yeah, so I'm with pyjama. I'm at home. This is my office and home. So, shut it down, clear down. No electricity left. Replacing the model. It doesn't work with this model, so probably it is broken. Let's change with another one. Fortunately, it is on. Okay, it was easier. Okay, so this memory model here, I'm placing it here. I'm grabbing whatever, let's say this one. What was the direction? This is the direction. Okay, so I'm putting it in the first place. I will show you that this is the right place again. Okay, it hits. Nothing is loose. Okay. It didn't work with that last one. Let's see if it will work with this one. And it is fit perfect, you see. And it cannot move. I don't want to force it too much because it's delicate. Let's see what will happen now. Again. Electricity. Come on. Okay. You start by yourself? Yeah, you're starting by yourself. I don't need to touch the button. Let's see, magic. Will it run this time? If it will run, I'll be more than happy. Please, 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 please. Nope. This is it. This is what it does. So, obviously, everything is obvious because this was. Oh, okay. The only reason that I'm really making this video is because AliExpress themselves are really gentle and obviously are trying to help me. The seller doesn't care. But I'm really disappointed by the seller because everything was absolutely clearly communicated from the beginning with them. For them saying right now that this is a memory problem and probably something is not fit right. This is the first thing that I tried. This is the reason that I hope that different memory speeds, not fitting, but different memory models, completely different memory models, with different speeds, will run on them. That's why I didn't have this machine for more than a month. Send it to UK for them to try it, pay them money. And right now, you're telling me that this is not fit right. Why other CPUs are working from the beginning? Can you explain this? I'm angry at the seller. I'm really thankful for the AliExpress. I didn't expect so much professionality by them, by the way. I'm really pleased with what AliExpress is doing. But I'm really insulted by the seller because everything was clear I did my best. I spent a lot of money. I spent a lot of time without this machine in a time that I really needed it. Okay, I'm shutting up. I'm continuing. So I'm not removing the model right now. I'm replacing the engineering sample with my own CPU that I upgraded from. I had 20 core, I'm with 28 right now, but they're 2.0 GHz, not 2.5 like this should be. So about 25% slower. And because, yeah, for some application this is really much. But anyway, I'm staying with these ones because they are better than the 20 cores ones. Anyway, I speak too much right now because I'm super angry and it is really late. You see that it's in the middle of the night. But I didn't have time of the day, and it doesn't matter that this is a holiday right now and everything. I work all the time, like probably most of you guys work too. So anyway, shit situation. Remove the electricity. Clear the electricity from here to be sure. Removing the CPU yet again. Blaming me that I didn't fit something, that my system is broken, my memory is broken, because why the hell I sent this to UK in the first place? This is compatibility, sure, this is not our problem. Then why you sell me this? I ask you if it's compatible with this system or not. I will not buy it if it's not. I asked you. Later I asked you several times, can you give me, you're telling me that it is compatible, but even they cannot, even the bargain hardware people cannot make it run. You're telling me that you can. Tell me please what exactly memory you're using, what BIOS are you using? No, we don't have the system. You didn't have it in the first place, I'm sure. This is not honest, and I really dislike honest people. You can tell me that you're not sure that one of the engineering samples is working for you, probably the other one, not the QQ87. We can say that I'm sending you these CPUs, you're giving me the other CPUs, we are replacing them. But we didn't know that it should be compatible, but it is not. Yeah, okay. You're blaming everything on me. For what? Not compatible, not our responsibility. Then didn't sell me this. Don't sell me this when I am asking if it's compatible or not. You're telling me it is compatible. Then it is not. Then it is memory problem. Yeah, it is memory problem. But this memory problem is in the CPU itself. It is engineering sample, it's not made to work with every system. In the first place. Okay. I'm angry because it is April. It is in the middle of April. And by the way, today is a holiday here. And I'm risking to break my PC because I made so many changes. I sent it across Europe to faraway country. I'm risking my PC with all this. For what? Oh. By the way, this is the way that it's supposed to do. Here it is a scroll driver. It's the way that you can look this online. I know what I'm doing. I connected on so many systems, so many servers, so many PCs. But I know that I'm not a professional because I'm other things. That's why I'm asking you guys, I'm asking Barney Hardware too. But they are honest. You're not. This is disappointing. Very disappointing. But AliExpress guys, by the way, are honest. I see. And I'm really grateful for them. AliExpress support, I mean, not AliExpress the seller. I forgot the name of the store. And I'll make sure I will never ever buy something, anything else, because of the honesty, not because of the system, because most probably these processors work with with a server or something that's actually compatible with them. But the seller is not honest. We could replace them with another engineering samples if they work, or if they didn't work. Yeah, I will know that. Yeah, I can trust this seller. They didn't work. He was honest. He gave me my money. I can buy again from him. Yeah. Anyway. So, again, this is your CPU. QQ87, cleaned. I'm putting it back here. Okay. Come on. Let's sound static back. So, here it is. Come on, come on. Can you read it? The light is not really on my side right now. It is obvious, but I want to make sure that it's not only obvious, it's crazy obvious that everything is there. Yeah, you can read it like this, I hope. QQ87. So, this CPU on this side, in this box. Soft, no soft cushion, whatever. Yeah, you see it. And the glue here is not working anymore because I tested it after I received my workstation from UK. I saw that there is a new BIOS, the one that I show you right now. And I decided that hopefully with the new BIOS it will work. And I tested it again. But I didn't film it. I should have. Come on. So this is my CPU. To be more easier because it is not wrapped in. I think this is my CPU. 8173M 2.0. Older generation, at least 25% slower. But it's working. So yeah. I need to put some. I will not remove this pass because this is a new pass. This is, I don't need to remove it. I will just add not so much on my own CPU, and I will show you that it can run with my CPU because it is not in my system the problem. It is not compatible with my system, and this is the problem. I don't know if the CPUs themselves don't work right. They didn't test them on the server right. They just saw that it is booting. Probably. Even in this case. Anyway, I put too much, but anyway, it's not so problematic. I've done this on many other systems hundreds of times. Yeah, I'm stupid a little bit, but this is because I bragged a little bit. You should never brag. Never. Never ever. About anything. Triangle, triangle, but I don't like something a little bit here. I want to be sure that it's clean up. This is my CPU now. This is not the one from the store. So you might want not to hook any more, but please hook, because I need to show you that it works. It worked at the beginning of the video. It will work now only with one memory. If it was in my motherboard, or if it is a memory problem in the memory module itself, it will not work with one memory module at all. So triangle, triangle, triangle. Okay. Engineering example, mine. The BIOS will show this too. If I didn't break anything, I hope I didn't break anything. It's so late. I'm a little afraid. This is the most expensive system I ever had. And this is the system that I disassembled so many times that I cannot count anymore. I'm a little afraid that I will break something. So I need to screw it down. Forget to screw this down. Shouldn't. Okay. Because this can break my CPU and my motherboard. Then I will not have my most important workstation. Okay, let's do it. Only one memory model. If it is a memory model problem, this CPU will not work only with this memory model. All of these are for the second CPU and they don't count, like I showed you before. You don't trust me? Yeah, just look at the HP documentation. Or hire someone who actually knows what he's doing. turns itself. Oh, I really hope I didn't break something, so fingers crossed. Let's see. Let's see, by the way, the monitor there. If it turns blue, it's okay. No problem for now. Please run. Okay. Yeah. This is another problem. My monitor is broken. This is another problem. I need to change my monitors. Oh, okay. But it boots. Let's go to please F10, F10, F10. I hope it. F10, please. Come on. I want the boot menu. What the fuck happened? Oh, it disconnected. So let's see if this is. I'll break something, I swear. Anyway, it will boot to Windows right now anyway. This is the main. Where is the main monitor? Which one of these is the main monitors right now? Please. No connection, no connection, no connection. Come on. Okay, this was unpleasant, but anyway. No memory problem. Come on. I'm switching you off, switching you on again. I'll need to restart it anyway. I'll need to restart it. This is obvious. Yeah. I'm sorry, but there is no way I'm not laughing at this. Okay, I'll just turn it off and turn it on again. It is really stupid, this bug, this brokenness to show right now. In the worst possible time. Okay, let's see which monitor this time we will recognize as the first one. All of the 5 are connected. 2 of them are connected to a Quadro GPU. 3 of them, yeah, here it is. Okay. Let's go to the BIOS first. I don't want full Windows loading. Okay, system information. Let's see which CPU actually I'm using right now. My own CPU. Does it recognize the memory? It recognizes the memory. It is one memory of 32 GB DDR4. This is my BIOS. Okay. Okay, so I need right now to put the other memory modules back in. I will need to put my second CPU, and yeah, I need to go to sleep. But probably I will not. I'll just download these videos to my workstation and prepare them for you. Prepare them like they're 4 GB right now. I will see if I can just make them smaller and upload them to whatever. I need to send these videos to AliExpress Customer Support because I actually trust them. They were really professional in the way that they are responding, and I'm really thankful for their support because AliExpress, your own support is better than Amazon. Actually, I did have problem with some Amazon seller before. It was resolved because the seller was not like this exactly, but the Amazon support was not on place. This time it's switched back. The seller is not trustworthy, but Amazon support, thank you for your professionals. You're showing the world how the things should be done. So thank you. I'll continue assembling my PC. You have too much things to watch, but please watch it. Nothing is edited, nothing is cut out, everything is like, you saw it. Bye bye. Thank you, AliExpress support.